Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by clarifying what kind of sharing group you need and why, topic, audience size, and region matter. Once done, open Facebook and type precise keywords into the search bar. Make sure to switch to the Groups tab. Use filters like public versus private, member count, and recent activity so you don't waste time on inactive spaces. If you see promising names, open them in new tabs to compare rules and tone before moving on to the next step. Next, you evaluate each candidate to make sure it's right for sharing. Read the group rules and pinned posts to understand restrictions and acceptable content. Administrators often enforce strict schedules. Once done, check recent posts and comment frequency to judge activity. High member count with no recent posts is a red flag. Make sure to note admin tone and any approval processes. Then decide which groups permit promotional or shared content. Finally, craft a post that follows each group's rules and adds clear value. Include a short description, image, and a simple call to action. Post at peak engagement times and monitor comments and moderator feedback for the first 24-48 hours. If your content is removed or you're muted, message the admin politely to ask why and make adjustments. Make sure your future posts match the group's tone and restrictions to avoid repeat issues and maintain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.